So this is our bus, and right now we're here at some dhaba. We will go to it is only costing 35 rupees. Is that really safe to blog around with the city at night time, or someone can snatch us there? So in search for a good biryani, we came here. It's still crowded here, and we're gonna try the food here. So bus has started, and finally we have adjusted ourselves with our luggages, and that's how we have to sleep tonight while adjusting with my 2 guitars and my backpack and her backpack. So it is what it is. So let me show you a little glimpse of the city from our window. On our way to Hyderabad, this place is called Thada police station. So I assume maybe this area will be Thada or something like this, And we have left Chennai, and we're on our way. It's been almost 2 hours, more than 2 hours, and it will take approximately more 10 hours from now. The road is pretty bumpy, but it's okay. It's the part of the process, I hope the bus will stop somewhere because we're kind of hungry and we need to eat something. Also have to use the washrooms, and also we're waiting for a break. I don't know when this bus is going to stop to some point where we can have something to eat. So it's pretty dark right now, so it's kind of hard to show you what's going on outside. So I'm gonna cut it now. Just now it stopped here at some dhaba, Swati dhaba. So we're gonna go out now. So this is our bus, and right now we're here at some dhaba. I think they'll have South Indian food here, so we'll find our options. There are also washrooms. Let's see what they have here. So I bought myself some chips and a cold drink. Not cold drink, some flavored milk and biscuits. That's all for my dinner. I don't want to eat something because the journey is pretty longer, and I really don't want to use the public toilets. The conditions are, it's India, and this is the place from where we packed our stuff. She got some chow mein for herself. Here she is sitting, and they have a lake, some kind of pond here, and 2 cows are sitting, resting. Let me show you. 2 cows are there, and this is a hotel, big hotel, and they have a good pond just in front of it, so I think they have a good view. It's a highway, and this is the road, and there are like buses are stopping here to give people a little break from the travel. And now I don't know for how long it's gonna stay, so I'm gonna stand here, or maybe after some time I'll go inside. Bus is about to leave, so I'm going inside. Here's how it looks like. And she's having a chow mein. Is it good? Okay. Can I have one? Yeah, I just want to taste it. You enjoy. But I'm going inside now. We're back in our bunker. The ride has started again. So let's see how long it's gonna take. Toll tax. Now we're on Andhra Pradesh, if I'm not wrong. So finally we have reached Hyderabad, and this is the bus stand. Now she's going to call the hotel for our early check-in. Hope they let us through, and after that we're gonna book the cab to go to our hotel. It's almost 6 o'clock right now in the morning. Let me show you around the city. And this is our first look of the city, and our bus is still there, and we're standing here. Everything is closed because it's too early morning. Sun just about to come out. It's not even sunrise yet. Once we reach our hotel, long back from now, I asked my friend what's the speciality of Hyderabad. He said, just come to Hyderabad, try the biryani and go back, don't do anything else, and it will be worth it. So today finally I'm here to do exactly like he said. So we have checked out in a hotel and food journey begins from here. We're gonna have our first meal and we're gonna do some dosa. Myself a bite here with their chutney. I don't need to give any compliment. Fantastic.
Is it spicy?
No, not spicy. Not like Sri Lanka. That's much better. Totally different than Chennai. Really good. It just only costs 35 rupees. Like 30 cents, like 40 cents, around like 40 cents. So right now we're going to find biryani. So we're gonna go to the place called Charminar, and the place we're staying right now. So let's open. In search of biryani, we came here and we're gonna go outside to the main city, the famous place called the Charminar, and we hope the biryani will be authentic. I want to try all of the biryani's options they have, and later if you had place in our tummies, then we're gonna try other things as well. So right now we're gonna go from here, from our hotel to the metro station. So we don't know the way, so we're gonna ask someone like how to reach the metro station, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna see how's the city life looks like. So let's go. The web exit. Hello. Is that will be safe to blog around with the city at night time, or is it someone can snatch our stuff? It will be safe, right?
It will be safe.
Okay. And if there are any problem, then can I call you? Can I have your number and call you? Sure. Please take his number. So this is the reception area. And how to go to the metro station?
You have to book Rapido from here.
Okay.
It will be within 2.5 kilometers.
Okay.
Raya Durgam.
Okay.
Raya
Rajdurgam.
Durgam. Raya Durgam.
Raya Durgam. Okay. From there, we have to find a metro to Charminar, right? There will be no changing?
There will be no direct train to Charminar.
Okay.
You have to get down in middle.
Middle.
From
Which
there-
station?
From there you have to travel 1.52 kilometers.
Okay. Okay. We can get a tuk-tuk or something, right?
I think you have to get down at Gandhi Bhavan.
Gandhi Bhavan.
Gandhi Bhavan.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. The people here in Hyderabad are really friendly. They speak Hindi, they speak English, so communication is not at all a problem here. So that's the place. So this is the city, as you can see. People are traveling with their local car, and we have to book, right?
Yeah, Rapido.
Rapido. So we're gonna do a Rapido right now. So after that, we're gonna go to the metro station. So our hotel's manager helped us to get this cab. He actually booked it from his own phone, and now we're going to the metro station. It's around like 2.5 kilometers away from here. Let me show you the view of the city. And after that we're gonna go on to the metro, and from there we have to get down at Gandhi Bhavan, or maybe one step next to it. Let's see. So that's the view of the city. So we have almost reached our metro station, where it looks like from outside. So we're gonna go inside now and find out. I'm really excited. It's been 2 years since I was in metro. Last time I rode a metro, it was back in 2022 in Thailand. So here's a tuk-tuk driver. How much, bhaiya? 69. We have to find a way to go inside of this metro station. I think this is the way, and we have to go from all the way from there, and then have to find ourselves the way to go to the stairs. or maybe you can climb up from here easily. I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure about her. I'm just simply climbing it up. I hope I don't fall. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this just nearby, so we decided to just walk. Here you go. They also have a KFC over there and one doggy. Hey doggy, keep on sleeping, buddy. So this is the place, and right now we're on the escalators. Let us cross the security first. This reminds me of my Delhi days and my Bangkok days. It's just same everywhere you go. Metro is same, but in India, security is much tighter as usual. You know, that's good. That's what I support. I don't know how much you can hear me because of the traffic. Let me give you a quick look of the city. This is how it looks like. So in search for a good biryani, we came here, and right now we're gonna go to the ticket counter, and then we're gonna go inside the metro. So I'm gonna stop filming right now because we have to go through a security checkup. And as you can see, we're on our way to the security checkup. But first we need to get ourselves the tickets, token or whatever they have here. I don't know. The first time riding metros in Hyderabad. Oh, there's a ticket counter. Tokens, everything we have card here. See, this queue looks little. This queue is lesser, so I'm gonna try going there. It's closed, so I have to go there. To go to Charminar, which station?
So you take the MG one patient ticket.
MG?
Occasion.
Okay, 2 tickets, please.
100 rupees.
100. All right. You have change?
Yeah.
Thank you. They have, take one. Just put it up here. They have the stickers like that. No tokens. I was expecting it to be like token, but they have tokens here. They have these tickets which you can scan. So let's try. We've crossed the security checkup, and now we're going towards to that thing, that machine. I don't know from where. Dara, you have to put it. I don't know, it's not working, it's not the same. Like, we need to ask someone. But how do you use this? Can you help me? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. So now we came inside, and we have to go to the platform number 2. How to go to that place? Mahatma Gandhi, like, we have to go to platform number 2, right? Okay, thank you. So we're right. We have to go to the platform number 2 from here. So we're gonna go up with the help of this escalator. We have to wait for our metro. I think this won't take much. It's not, you know, Kolkata metro is, so it'll be faster, I believe, just like Delhi and Bangkok. In India, metro services is really good. It's faster, convenient, you know. It just only cost us 100. We have to go to this place. Our metro has arrived, and now we have to go inside. So we're just gonna do one thing. We're gonna follow the locals here. It's your first metro ride, right? We're gonna also try this one, but so it's the ladies' compartment. We cannot sit here. Go ahead. It's ladies' compartment. So we found a seat here. So our metro has left the station, and now we're reaching towards our destination. I think after 2017, I'm on an Indian metro, so feeling kind of nostalgic right now. Last time I've been in a metro, it was in 2017 back in Delhi, in my Delhi days. So I'm pretty much feeling nostalgic. So right now we have to change the metro, and starting time when we went onto this metro, it was almost empty, but now as you can see the rush. It's the rush hour, so it's normal, you know. Rush hour, everything will be filled up, especially in India. I'll still say it's much better than Delhi metro. At least we have a place to stand, you know. Nobody's pushing one another, but in Delhi, it's like too much crowded. It was a good experience. So tell me, how do you like your first metro ride? Good. First time. Now we have to go to the platform number 1 for our next train, which will lead us to Mahatma Gandhi something, I don't know. And I think this is the way, the platform number 1, LB Nagar. Let's go from this. So now we're gonna go to the LB Nagar platform number 1, and it'll be crowded because the connecting changing line, you know. Here, like in India, everybody just stands anywhere they want. They are not following the rules. Rules that you have to stand on the right side. So if someone is going or coming down in case of emergency, they can use the space. But here, I don't see anybody is following. As you can see, it's too crowded, and I'm used to it. I don't have any problem with that because I was in Delhi for 4 years. For us, you know, it's a normal thing, you know. And we have to stand here till we get our metro. I think which will arrive in 4 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. I don't know. Our metro has arrived. Now we have to go in. And it's gonna be crowded, you know, like it is what it is. Stay behind me. We're gonna go inside. We find a spot to stand here, but no seats. It's okay. I'm really used to this. So tell me how you're liking this standing journey in the metro.
I don't like.
But you have to adjust. It is what it is. To be honest, I'm loving it, you know. It reminds me of my Delhi days, so I'm loving this thing, you know, standing and traveling to somewhere. So our station has arrived. We have to get down now. Mahatma Gandhi bus station. This is where we have to get down. Now we have to get down here. So we came out of the station now. We're gonna go outside and find our way to go to Charminar. This place is smelling like crackers. I don't know. Meanwhile, I'll say why I'm wearing this hoodie. You know why? In Hyderabad, it's pretty cold here. You know, other people are wearing also big, long shirts. Some of them are wearing jackets. I didn't expect here like things. The weather will be much colder. Earlier in the morning when you arrived, it was like 21. It was around like 21 degrees, and I was like, oh, I was shivering. The other part of the South India is quite hotter than Hyderabad, but unexpectedly, Hyderabad is much colder than other places where we have been recently. And this is the ticket we have here. I'm going to keep this and stick it in my journal. So what you have to do is like, you just need to scan that. Okay, I'm going to stick this in my journal. So now we are going towards to the exit, and we have to walk a little till we find the Charminar, the famous place for the food and all, you know. And after the morning dosa, we haven't had anything. We just slept away, and so we're gonna have our dinner now after we reach that place. Let's go. So right now we came out of that metro station and we're in the exit. We took a tuk-tuk and we're going towards to the Charminar. It's around like 3 kilometers away from the metro station. So, and meanwhile, let me show you the glimpse of the city. Here's how it looks like. So this is the place, like we're on our way, but we got stuck into the traffic. Like I said earlier, this place is giving me the vibes of Delhi. Even in Delhi, if you go to some place in this time around 5 to 7 o'clock, it'll be too much crowded, full with traffic, you know. And they have a lot of street vendors over there selling fruits, you know, fruit juice, sugarcane juices, and some special, I don't know what it is, like whatever they have, their specialty here, they're selling on the street. It looks nice and mouth-watering, you know. We're stuck in the traffic right now, and there is no traffic lights or any traffic officer to control, so everybody is just helping themselves out here. And it seems like everybody just want to go somewhere and there is no space. It's just tangled. Everyone is just tangled here. Look at the way. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe because of that we're stuck in the traffic, and it's been an hour. We're still stuck in the same road. It's moving really slow. So finally the road is almost clear. I think Sikh people are having some kind of carnival here, that's why they stopped the traffic and it's too late. Yeah. they're having carnivals here. That's why the traffic is very slow and it's really honky. Now we have to walk towards to the Charminar. And I spoke to the auto driver, the tuk-tuk driver. He said like we should try one hotel called Shada Hotel. They have good varieties of biryanis and beef and mutton. So right now we're gonna go directly to there. Still crowded here, and we're gonna try the food here. I think they have a lot of Sikh communities here, and wow, look at the sword. No, thank you. Thank you. Nice people. I love the people here. They're really friendly here. They're offering us teas, you know, they're having some kind of festivals. I think this is the Gurdwara they have. Really friendly people here. Love them. They speak good amount of Hindi. Everybody's speaking Hindi, English, so language is not a problem or a barrier here. I don't know how much you guys can hear me because of the sound, but I'm trying to cover as much as I can. So lassi, faluda shops they have, more biryanis here, and this is the Shadab. Okay, this is a hotel they have mentioned, you know, Shadab. So let's go inside directly. भैया ये शादा होटल है खाना कहाँ से नीचे ऊपर अच्छा so this is Shada, famous Shada hotel they have here. Let's see if you can find any place. 2 जन के लिए सीट चाहिए ऊपर चल नॉन एसी भी चलेगा चलो कोई नहीं. They told us to go upstairs. Upstairs they have AC. We don't need any AC, but it's pretty much crowded here, so we're gonna go directly to upstairs and hope we'll find a spot for us because it's really famous. So everybody is like, hello. So everybody is like, you know, trying this food here. Let's see. They have good old interiors here. What a nice clock. So this is place. Place for 2 लोगों के लिए. There are table for 2. Oh, where? That is no, I think it's the kitchen. This one? Okay. This is the place. And let's sit over there, you know, next to the 2 people. Where? Okay, fine. Sit here. I'm gonna go and wash my hands. It's too honky here. And now we're gonna go to some other place where we can have our dinner. We're already so late, you know. We're gonna go. We're gonna go to some other place because the place where we're just now, it was like they tried, you know. They said like they have seats downstairs, but they saw that we were tourists, you know. They give us the premium place to eat, and prices were like 3 times expensive more than we thought. Biryani hai? Okay. So we came to a new hotel to show you what they have here. Biscuits, samosas, more snacks and munchies. You find the menu card. Menu card है भैया? हाँ? अंदर होता है menu card. अंदर? Inside we have to go. This is the kitchen. And that's the family place, you know. This is their menu. Obviously mutton biryani. We're here for the biryani, the famous biryani. I've been waiting to try their biryani ever since I came to know about their speciality, and it's been around like 15 years I think. So I'm gonna try what they have here. I hope they have beef because I'm looking for beef. Otherwise I'm gonna try something else. Mutton biryani they have here. So it serves 2 mutton biryani. I don't think so they have beef biryani here. Let me ask them. Bhaiya, Beef मिल जाएगा? Beef? Okay. They don't have beef, so desserts here. Let me show you. Introducing Nayab Hotel. Kesar Dum Biryani. Because they have lassi, special lassi, matka firni, which is nice. I want to try that. Kubani Malai. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name, if I'm pronouncing it not precisely. This is where they're making their food. Rice, biryani and all. Let me show you. थोड़ा दिखा सकते हैं? वीडियो में दिखा सकते हैं? Okay, thank you. So this is a place, and now they've ordered our food. So I'm just going to show you around how it looks like. And they have their dessert section here. Earlier I showed you their snacks and stuff. They also have their teas, special teas here, which I haven't tried, but I'm gonna try in a while. They also have a place where you can buy cigarettes and pan. They have the mutton. भैया ये क्या है? ये क्या है? Nihari. Acha. Nice. Nihari. I haven't tried the nihari yet, of course. Right now we have already ordered our biryani, so we won't be able to have nihari after that. It's gonna be really heavy for us. So far, place is really nice. People are much friendlier here, and they talk nicely, you know. So we're gonna go back to the place where I was sitting before. Our food has arrived, and we've also ordered chicken tikka masala along with some plain naan, butter naan, and we're also gonna have our biryani, which will come later on. So let's give it a taste.
You say butter naan or
Plain naan. No, I think butter naan. Butter naan. Only they have butter naan here. This naan, butter naan, along with my favorite dish, the chicken tikka masala. It's not butter chicken, it's the chicken tikka masala. So there is a little bit of difference in it. Spicy. Nice and crispy naans that they have here. Bit buttery, but it's okay. Let me try the piece. Huh? Yeah, it's a little spicier, but not in our level, you know.
okay.
It's just normal spice, not spiciest. And this is the specialty with the chicken tikka masala. They also want to put capsicum and green bell pepper in it. I'm gonna have another bite. Nice. Final mutton biryani is there. This is the portion. They gave some kind of gravy along with it. So we're gonna try it now. So I'm gonna give it a try. You see some masalas are here. It's really hot. Worth it. Whatever they say about the Hyderabadi biryani is true. It's really true. Very soft mutton. They cooked it really nicely. Let me tear it apart. Look how soft it is. Really soft and really good. Let me try some raita. If you don't like spicy, then you can use the raita. Other than that, we love spicy. I don't think that I will be needing any raita. And now I'm going to try the salad. Gonna get some pieces of mutton. And now, fantastic. Big thumbs up. Traffic is really worse here. And people are also not even wearing helmets here. It's really common not to wear helmets, and there is one cop that's not even stopping anybody for not wearing helmet. I think they don't have any strict rules about wearing helmets here, because I don't think anybody is bothered. Only one in a few people are wearing their helmets. Rest of them are, you know, look at this. 4 people are riding. Nobody's wearing helmets here. Like 10 out of 1 person is wearing helmet. Other than that, nobody doesn't even bother. And there are cops nearby, and they are not even scared of it. And they have something here, some special goat something. It's a street vendor side. They're selling sugarcane juices, routes, you know, a lot of stops, you know. Earlier when we were going to that hotel, we were stuck in this road for almost like an hour, more than an hour I think. It was frustrating, but weather is not that hotter, so it's not a problem for us. So they have a lot of food vendors here selling food. There are a lot of food vendors here, you know. Prices 10 rupees, 5 rupees for this thing, you know. We're not here to do any kind of touristy stuff, but to try their cuisine, which we just had. This place is like touristy place, famous because of their name, you know. And they're charging a little extra for that. Dinner was quite good, you know, like, to be honest, the mutton was a little bit salty. And if you're in India, if you're traveling in India, you know, things, what they show, it's not exactly what it is. You know, 30% will be hype, you know, extra hype, which they create, you know, especially the influencer, which I don't like about the influencer. I don't know, nobody's paying them, but still I don't know why they show lavishness about the places, you know. We're watching your videos and spending our money, so you better be honest about things, you know. You should not tell anyone lie about the places. Things are good, lavish, you know, in reality, which is something else. They also have more biryani shops here, chicken biryani, beef biryani, not full. And here they're selling biryani in 10 rupees. 10 rupees you're gonna get biryani. I don't wanna try, man. In 10 rupees who sell biryani? I don't know, maybe. No, we just had our food, thank you. In 10 rupees they're selling biryani. That is quite a shock, you know, like biryani in 10 rupees. Really. We're looking for a place. This is a market area, bus stand area. Let me turn off this. These are for 5 rupees. Any flavor. Yeah, hold on. Nowhere to get it in 5 rupees. In our place it's like 30, 20. But here in Hyderabad, you can get it in 5 rupees. So right now we're done for the day. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. So we checked out from a hotel, and so last night we had booked our ticket, and today we checked out from a hotel. So right now we're in the airport. We're gonna go fly back to Agartala, and for the last time we're gonna have the biryani. Yesterday night we tried the mutton biryani, but in the airport we were able to find chicken biryanis. Let me show you. They have this chicken biryanis here. So we have ordered the chicken biryani, and for the last time we're gonna have the chicken biryani, and then we're gonna go back to our native place. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for everyone who is watching this series. Here is our biryani that we have ordered. It's chicken biryani. So they have the raita and the gravy, just like last night. It's very hot, by the way. Really great. I don't have to give any compliments, you know. It's gonna be good. We're in Hyderabad, obviously. Their biryani is the best. So that's it for today, guys. This adventure is gonna end here. I hope I'll see you soon with my new adventure. Otherwise, I'll be uploading my regular stuffs, which is martial art and music. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon and like, share, and comment down below whatever you guys have to say. I'll see you again, guys. Ciao.